Hey guys, what if I told you Cadillac just stepped into the future of luxury travel in a way nobody expected? I'm talking about a fully electric, solar-powered off-road beast motorhome that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. Yeah, we did not expect Cadillac to do this. Before we jump in, if you're watching from the USA, drop your state name in the comments. Right now, I really want to see where you guys are watching from. And welcome back to NextLux Reviews, your go-to place for next-level luxury, futuristic vehicles, and insane concept machines. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. So today, we're diving deep into the 2027 Cadillac Obsidian Motorhome. This is not just an RV. This is a statement, a rolling luxury apartment mixed with military-grade toughness and next-gen electric tech. Let's start with the front look, because honestly, this thing is intimidating in the best way possible. The first thing you notice is that bold, armored design. It's got that aggressive Cadillac grille, but reimagined in a futuristic way, with sharp LED lighting signatures that make it look alive at night. The headlights are slim, vertical, and extremely modern, giving it that high-end electric vehicle identity. And that heavy-duty front bumper with the guardrails, it screams off-road dominance. This is not your average highway camper. This thing is built to go anywhere now. Moving along the exterior, the body is massive and stretched out with a stealthy matte black finish. It feels like something designed for both luxury, travel, and survival. The side panels are clean but detailed, with hidden compartments, storage units, and integrated tech systems. You also get roof-mounted solar panels that are not just for show. These panels actually help power the motorhome, making it more efficient and eco-friendly, especially for long trips where charging stations might not be available. And let's talk about the wheels. These are huge, heavy-duty off-road tires with deep treads designed to handle mud, sand, snow, basically anything you throw at it. The multi-axle setup gives it insane stability and load support. This is the kind of vehicle that doesn't care about terrain. Whether you're driving through mountains in Colorado, deserts in Arizona, or snowy roads in Canada, this thing is ready. From the back, the Obsidian Motorhome keeps that same aggressive vibe. The rear design is clean but powerful, with vertical LED taillights and reinforced structure. You've got access doors, storage, and possibly even a rear-mounted utility system, depending on the configuration. It's practical, but still looks premium and futuristic. Now let's step inside. And this is where things get really crazy. The interior feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with a modern, clean layout, soft ambient lighting, premium materials, and a very open feel. Cadillac didn't just build a motorhome, they designed an experience. The living area is spacious and comfortable. You've got a high-end lounge setup with plush seating, a smart entertainment system, and large windows that bring in natural light. Imagine parking this somewhere scenic and just relaxing with a full panoramic view outside. That's the vibe here. Right next to it, you have the kitchen end. It's fully equipped. We're talking about a modern kitchen with built-in appliances, a sleek countertop, induction cooktop, smart fridge, and plenty of storage. Whether you're making a quick coffee or cooking a full meal, everything feels premium and easy to use. Then comes the washroom, and yes, even that feels luxury. Clean design, modern fittings, a proper shower space, and smart water management systems. It's not cramped like traditional RV bathrooms. It actually feels like something you'd find in a high-end apartment. Moving toward the bedroom area, this is where comfort really stands out. You get a full-size bed with premium cushioning, soft lighting, and storage options all around. It's designed for relaxation after long drives. Quiet, cozy, and completely private. And the best part, everything inside is powered intelligently. Since this is an electric motorhome, it uses advanced battery systems combined with solar charging. That means you can stay off-grid for longer, without worrying too much about power. It's perfect for road trips across the US, camping in remote areas, or even long-distance travel across Canada. Now, let's talk performance, because this thing is not just about looks and comfort. Being fully electric, the Obsidian Motorhome delivers smooth and quiet driving. No loud engine noise, no vibrations, just clean power. The torque from electric motors gives it strong acceleration, even with its massive size. And thanks to multiple axles and advanced suspension, the ride stays stable and controlled. Range is expected to be impressive, especially with the help of solar panels. While exact numbers may vary, this kind of setup is designed for long journeys. Plus, fast charging capability means you won't be stuck waiting forever when you do plug in. Driving something this big might sound intimidating, but with modern driver assist systems, cameras, and smart controls, it becomes much easier. Cadillac is known for tech, and you can expect features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and full 360-degree visibility. Now let's be real. This level of luxury and technology doesn't come cheap. The expected price of the 2027 Cadillac Obsidian Motorhome could easily land somewhere between $400,000 to $700,000, depending on features and customization. Yeah, it's expensive, but this is not just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. It's for people who want freedom, luxury, and adventure all in one package. And honestly, Cadillac stepping into this space is surprising. We usually see them in luxury SUVs and sedans, but this is next level. This shows they're ready to compete in a completely new segment. So overall, the Obsidian Motorhome is bold, futuristic, and incredibly impressive. From its aggressive exterior to its luxury interior, from electric performance to solar capability, it checks almost every box for modern travel. And the biggest question is, would you actually live in something like this? Because honestly, I think a lot of people would if you made it this far. You already know this is something special. Again, if you're watching from the USA, drop your state name in the comments. I love seeing where you guys are from. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because NextLux Reviews is bringing you more insane vehicles just like this. I'll see you in the next one. Stay luxurious, stay futuristic,